Long there? Long
Yeah.
time to hear from you though.
Huh?
Long time to hear from you.
I know, I'm just there. I'm just a
The work.
Yes, I gotta work.
No, I like that though. I like. Yes, is she Nana? Is she Nana? Is she? What?
So love him.
Yeah.
Love him.
Hold up. You wanna peep?
What that?
Me look at that. Watch.
I look at that, huh?
Yeah, my daughter. Yeah. Watch.
Hi, Jordan.
Yeah, that's your name, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Watch.
I
Just
see.
say it again. So hi, Nana.
I see Justin. Hi, Nana. Oh, y'all video, man.
Yeah,
Video, man.
All right, go back to your room now. For a reason now. And close the door.
Minute for you tonight. So you have 2 questions you can ask me.
2 questions?
Yeah.
All right then. I see. Where you see yourself in the next 5 years now in the business?
In the business, me see myself riding upon my man cocky, and me see myself doing the thing then. Seeing?
We might do the thing then.
Me want do the blood clot thing then.
What the bumbo clot you talk about now?
You understand?
This is gonna last more than 2 minutes. I might have argument this. What you say?
Me say, me want do the blood clot thing then. Me want bust it open pan my man cocky.
So you must say to you. So you like hard fuck?
Me love all blood clot fuck. But you know say something, me not want too much blood clot hard fuck. Cause if you give me too much hard fuck, me honest to God, me I turn around and boxing on your blood clot mouth.
You say like I'm on whining on your wall end.
Yeah.
Pussy Lord. Yeah, me I say, you like dirty talk, I like
Yeah, me have to have that. Me have to have that blood clot dirty talk. Yeah, me have to talk the blood clot thing them.
things them too?
Yeah? What is that?
Blood clot, yeah.
Yeah.
Call it the most rude name them.
Well, but you know what's so crazy? That's so funny because for some reason I never had a man that would call me the craziest name, even if I say it's fine. I guess I don't know. Them no want say it. Them no want call me out of my name. I don't know. Them want call. Them want love thing. Them want baby, and all of them something there.
Like a blood clot bitch where you go all the fuck, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, 6 Lord.